guys? Today I just got a quick unboxing. I ordered this knife probably 3 weeks ago. It finally came in the mail. Super excited to check it out. You already know what it is from the title, so I'm super hyped. It's a clone, so anyone who hates on clones, stick around so you could stay pissed off. Hey, I was just kidding. But anyways, let's get into it. Waited too long already. Some average, John. Got the $20 freaking AliExpress OTF. These things are bad. BA, I should say. Anyways, yeah, let's open this up. Tough little box right here. Low-key pretty quality. Ooh. Alright, you guys ready? So this. Borrowing my sister's lighting, source. It's pretty nice lighting. Got all the hardware, extra hardware. And, oh yeah. That thing's a beast. I got a live blade on here. On AliExpress, if you ever go on AliExpress, they're not allowed to sell real butterfly knives, so it doesn't say like what it is usually, but you just gotta look for the word live on the title, and that means it's a real knife instead of a training blade. Oh my god. So this is a replica of the Cracker-Racken, made by what's that company? Dude, I'm stupid for not knowing. Dang, that sounds crazy. Oh yeah, Squid Industries. Sorry, I should have known that. It's been a while since I've been flipping, but so yeah, this is the Squid Industries clone of the Cracker-Racken. I don't know if you guys heard that, but oh my gosh, that's the sound that people pay $400 to hear. And this thing was $30 on AliExpress. Same materials, same everything. It's just made by a Chinese company, so anything made in America is overpriced, if you guys don't know. Oh my god. These are known as one of the best flippers you could buy. And that's why they cost so much, but anyone with a brain would just buy one on AliExpress for $30. Dude, this thing is so nice. Like, what? Oh my gosh. I've been waiting so long to hear that sound in person. IRL. Hey! Only heard it on YouTube videos. So this actually is a big moment for Mr. Shoelights, bro. Dang, that's a beast. Sexy beast right there. Can't lie, this is actually so dope. Let me get a close-up for you guys, and then probably end the video, but I'll probably do like a full-on review later on after I see how it holds up. That sound just says enough. I mean, if you don't know, if you know, you know. Oh my god, I know some of y'all are just soaked from that noise, dude. Dead ass. Finally getting in the shower. Alright, I gotta land that trick and then I'll show you a close up. Ooh. Dang, bro. Let me flip the camera. Or actually, oh, whoops. I'm not gonna flip the camera around because I don't want to edit this video. This lighting's good enough though from this side. Dang, that's so nice. Holy moly, yeah, I'm about to post a video of this on my Instagram, so if you're not following my Instagram, go follow it. It's just SXWLEKWS_entertainment. Selects entertainment. So if you ain't following, go follow. Tons of new content, tons of music content, tons of everything you can imagine. So you know we do it best. Hey, all right. Have a good one, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick little unboxing. For real, like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Subscribe, for real. Tons of motion on the way.